Right, hey guys. This is new. Going to be something new for me. Gonna learn something here. The Jeep is only blowing heat or hot air. Based on the research I've done, um, sounds like it might be something called the Blend Door Actuator, which I went ahead and ordered one without digging in yet, but 20 bucks. Actually, I ordered from rockauto.com and they're right here in Phoenix. So that's pretty handy. But this is what that looks like. And it goes under the dash, under the steering column, and then up there, kind of toward the center, which I'll show you here in a second. So this is going to be a new project for me, and I hope that's what the deal is. We live in Arizona, and even though it's December, it's too hot. It's too warm to be blowing heat constantly. So I'm going to take you inside and we'll get this done. Oh, this is sometime here I'll show you all my projects I got going here from a 1972 50cc Suzuki trail hopper. Rebuilding the motor there, but anyway, let's go do this. Oh, by the way, this is a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 3.7 V6, but that doesn't matter at this point. And there's not dual heating and air. There's only one, so there should only be one blend door actuator. Otherwise, the other one would be you'd have to take the glove box out for the passenger side. So you have to take these screws out. I did grab the right size. And I never know if these things are metric or standard or what. I get so, that is so frustrating. You never know what's what. Let me just see. I'll show you. Tell you what I'm using here. This is a 9/32. It feels just a little loose, so it's probably not the exact size. It's probably metric, but anyway, it worked. Okay. This is the first time I've ever taken this off. Just 2 screws, and it looks like it comes out pretty easy. Okay, let's see if we can see that thing. I'm gonna try and film and where are you, Blend Door Actuator? Now you guys can probably see it, but I can't. Okay, yeah, this has to come off too. And I believe, okay, awesome. Oh, and there's our little, there it is, you guys. Guess I didn't need to take off that bottom part by the pedals. All right, you know what? You learned something, and you guys just learned something too. Okay, so I'm gonna, you see I've got my electric brake controller there for Junebug, our pop-up camper. If you guys aren't subscribers, you need to go subscribe. This channel, I've got a little bit of anything on this channel, from riding in a Porsche GT3 to fighting off a rattlesnake. But this channel is mostly about our camping and just our travels around Arizona right now, and anytime we head out of Arizona. So yeah, subscribe and you can see a bunch of cool videos. Okay, so this needs to come off. And it looks like it's just a slot, which I'll show you when I get there. So that's what. Under working under the dash is one of my least favorite things. So let me go get the right tool here, and then we'll keep moving forward. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, because I didn't the first time when I looked under here, but there's actually two of the same part here, that Blend Door Actuator. Here's this one, and then there's one right here, if you guys can see that. Yeah, up here and right here. Well, I just spent a couple minutes, so we'll call this one the upper one, this one the lower one. Yeah, and I was feeling these. I'm feeling underneath the upper one right now, and see right now the air is coming out of the vents up here. And when I switch to bring the airflow down to the floor, well, that's there's the floor there. It's the upper one, the upper actuator. I can feel it moving, and I can when I feel the I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a knocking sound, and that is the lower one that's knocking. I've got my hand on it right now. I've only got one. I only ordered one. So if I need to, I'll get another one. Replace them both. Okay, I believe it's the lower one. Okay, now if I do the temperature. Yep. So that's what it is. To switch which vents, it's the upper actuator. For the temperature from cool to warm is the lower one. So that's the one I'm going to replace. Okay, that little screw there is a Torx bit. It's a T20. And for those of you that don't know what Torx is, that's a Torx bit. They just got to sell you more tools, I think. I swear. I swear these manufacturers, they must own the tool companies too. So let's get that out of here. You guys probably can't see that. Torx. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And it's got 3 holes. Here's the new one. You can see it's got 3 holes, but I'm looking at the one I'm taking off here, and there's only 2 screws. So maybe when I get it out, I can see what's going on there. Okay. Okay. Ouch. Okay. You know what? Let's turn this on and see what it does here. Hopefully I'm not replacing the wrong thing. Oh, look at it go. You see it turning? Okay, why would it continue to turn? Oh, there it stopped. Okay, I'm going to do the temperature. Right now it's on cold. Oh, look at that. Now I've got cold air coming out, but that thing's... Oh, I can turn it right there. Yep, there's heat. See, I'm turning this thing, you guys. That's the actual blender door, I guess. Go that way. And now I got cold. Okay. So let's watch. Sorry to be doing this troubleshooting with you, taking up your guys' time, but maybe some of you are interested. Okay, right now it's on cold. Let's go to heat. And there, and now it's turning. Oh, it continues to turn. I don't think it's supposed to do that, because when I manually turn it, it only turns like halfway. So let's get that off and plug the new one in. Okay, do you guys see that little... how can I show you? Let me grab it out of there. You have to pinch that plug. There's a little tab in there that's got to come out. There we go. So the plug goes in like this. And there's a little tab that's hanging up in there. And what I just did was took my little screwdriver and kind of pushed in and twisted a little bit. Got the plug loose, and then I just pulled the plug off like that. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. So let's... Didn't hurt anybody there, right? Oh. Okay. Sorry, you guys. Let's get this plugged in and then see what it does. Gotta push the plug, and there we go. Get it to push in and snap. Get in there. Okay, there you go. I don't know if you could hear that, but it snapped in. Okay, so the electric, it is, and the tab is in. Okay, let's see what that does. Oh, it's turning. I didn't even do anything. It's going all the way around, isn't it? Well, I sure hope it's this actuator and not something with that door mechanism. Okay, it's on cold. Let's switch it to hot. And there it goes that way. Okay. I'm gonna need both hands here. Try and get you in a position where you can see. You know what? I might just have to put it on and then come back and get you guys. Okay, guys, new one is in. Kind of rustling around a little bit there, and yeah, I don't like working under the dash, but new one is in, and let's button it back up here. Again, those slots there are going to go right there. And then this should just snap up like that. And where's my piece down here? Okay, let's see if this goes back on as easy as it came off. Crawl under here with you. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay, hopefully that was a good snap. You guys are taking a beating from me. And there we go. Oh, looks like this side isn't. Okay, there we go, you guys. That's how you do the Blend Door Actuator, the lower Blend Door Actuator. that it's for the heat and the cooling, not for the vents. Their defrost or anything. That's strictly for hot or cold. Peace. Subscribe, like,